Think you've seen it all in the animal kingdom? Think again. From creatures that regrow entire body parts to underwater warriors with claws hotter than the surface of the sun, these are the most jaw-dropping animals you've never heard of. Today we're diving deep into the extraordinary lives of 10 animals that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. Prepare to have your mind blown because these animals are not just fascinating, they hold secrets that could revolutionize medicine, technology, and even how we understand evolution. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The axolotl. Axolotls are amphibians with a distinct, almost cartoonish appearance. Their pink, black, or golden skin is often translucent, and they have feathery gills extending from the sides of their heads. Unlike other amphibians that metamorphose into land-dwelling creatures, axolotls retain their larval features throughout their lives, a phenomenon called neoteny. This includes external gills, a dorsal fin, and aquatic behavior, regenerative abilities of the axolotl. They don't just regrow simple limbs, they can regenerate complex structures such as entire jaws, spinal cords, and even portions of their hearts. Scientists believe axolotls can regenerate so effectively because their immune systems are uniquely adapted to prevent scarring, a process currently being studied for human medical advancements. Conservation crisis. Found only in the lake complex near Mexico City, axolotls are critically endangered in the wild. Pollution, habitat loss, and invasive species have decimated their natural population. Today they survive primarily in research labs and as pets. Number 2. The pangolin. Pangolins are covered in sharp, overlapping keratin scales that make up about 20% of their body weight. These scales harden as the animal matures and can be used to slash at predators when they roll into a defensive ball. Pangolins possess long, sticky tongues that extend up to 40 centimeters, longer than their entire bodies. They use these to probe deep into termite mounds and ant colonies, consuming up to 140 grams of insects in a single night. As voracious insectivores, pangolins help maintain balance in their ecosystems by keeping ant and termite populations in check. Without them, outbreaks of these insects could harm plants and soil. The trafficking tragedy. Over 1 million pangolins have been trafficked over the past decade for their scales, believed to have medicinal properties in traditional Asian medicine. Despite being protected under international law, illegal poaching continues to threaten their survival. Number 3. The mimic octopus. The shape-shifting sea creature. This octopus is small, with a maximum length of around 2 feet, and has distinctive brown and white banding that it can alter to match different creatures or environments. Mimicry skills. Unlike other camouflage experts, the mimic octopus doesn't just blend in, it actively impersonates predators' enemies. For example, it spreads its arms and swims like a lionfish. It buries itself in the sand, leaving 2 arms visible, mimicking a deadly sea snake. It flattens its body to glide over the seabed, resembling a venomous flatfish. These impersonations often trick predators into avoiding the octopus, thinking it's dangerous prey. Scientists believe this species developed mimicry to survive in open sand flats where traditional hiding spots like coral reefs are scarce. Cognitive abilities. The mimic octopus exhibits remarkable problem-solving skills, using its arms to explore and manipulate objects. It's one of the most intelligent invertebrates in the animal kingdom. Number 4. The thorny devil. Also known as the desert lizard. This lizard's entire body is covered in conical spines, which serve both as armor against predators and as a method of thermoregulation in Australia's extreme desert climates. Water collection. Its spiny skin is hydrophobic, meaning it collects and directs water droplets from dew or rain along capillary-like grooves to its mouth. This ability is crucial in deserts where water is scarce. Thorny devils are ant specialists, eating up to 3,000 ants in a single meal. They use their sticky tongues to capture prey quickly. Defense mechanisms. When threatened, thorny devils puff up their bodies to appear larger. They also have a false head located on the back of their neck, confusing predators while protecting their real head. Aboriginal people view the thorny devil as a symbol of resilience and adaptability. Number 5. The saiga antelope, also known as the alien antelope. The saiga's unique, bulbous nose is not just for show, it's highly specialized. The nose contains a complex network of nasal passages that filter out dust during migrations and warm, icy air in the winter. Saigas are among the fastest antelope species, capable of running up to 50 miles per hour. During migrations, they travel in herds of up to 40,000 individuals, creating breathtaking spectacles. Females give birth to twins almost every time, ensuring their numbers can grow quickly under ideal conditions. In 2015, a bacterial outbreak killed over 200,000 saigas in just a few weeks, wiping out 60% of the population. Conservationists are now working to monitor and prevent such catastrophic losses. Number 6. The Glaucus atlanticus, also known as the blue dragon. This sea slug is often described as otherworldly, due to its vibrant blue coloration, wing-like appendages, and silvery underside. The blue dragon preys on venomous creatures like the Portuguese man-o'-war, storing their stinging nematocysts in specialized cells within its own body. This makes the blue dragon even more venomous than its prey. Floating on the ocean surface, the blue dragon uses countershading for protection. Its blue side blends with the water from above, while its silver underside camouflages it against sunlight from below. Despite its ferocious abilities, the blue dragon is only about an inch long. They're found in warm ocean waters worldwide, but their populations fluctuate based on currents and jellyfish abundance. Number 7. The hairy frog. Also known as the wolverine frog. The hair on this frog's sides is actually skin extensions that help with oxygen absorption, especially when submerged in water. When threatened, the frog's toe bones puncture through the skin, forming claws. Unlike true claws, these are made of bone rather than keratin and retract after use. Hairy frogs play a vital role in their ecosystems by keeping insect populations in check. Their tadpoles are also an important food source for aquatic predators. In some African cultures, the hairy frog is considered a symbol of protection due to its fierce self-defense tactics. Number 8. The okapi. Also known as the forest giraffe. Often mistaken for a zebra, the okapi has dark brown fur with striking white stripes on its legs and hindquarters. Its long neck hints at its giraffe ancestry. Okapis are solitary creatures that spend much of their time foraging for leaves, fruits, and fungi in dense rainforests. Their long tongues are prehensile and coated with sticky saliva to grip vegetation. Okapis are so elusive that they were unknown to Western science until the early 20th century. Even today they are difficult to study in the wild. The Okapi Wildlife Reserve in the Congo Basin works to protect these animals from habitat destruction and illegal hunting. Number 9. The pistol shrimp, also known as the underwater gunslinger. These shrimp are small but formidable, with one claw significantly larger than the other. The pistol shrimp's snapping claw generates a cavitation bubble that moves at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. When this bubble collapses, it produces an intense shockwave that stuns or kills prey. The temperature inside the bubble can briefly reach nearly 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the sun. This phenomenon is still being studied for its potential technological applications. Number 10. The Japanese spider crab, also known as the giant sea spider. With a leg span of up to 12 feet, the Japanese spider crab is the largest arthropod on Earth. Despite its size, its body is relatively small, only about 15 inches wide. As scavengers, these crabs clean the ocean floor by consuming dead animals and decaying organic material, playing a critical role in marine ecosystems. Japanese spider crabs can live for over 100 years, making them one of the longest-living crustaceans. And there you have it. 10 incredible creatures you never knew existed, each with adaptations so unique they put science fiction to shame. Which of these animals amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with a friend who loves animals as much as you do. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join the World of Animals community, where we explore the wonders of wildlife every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.